Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5066835 or KB5066128 because of these error codes on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows settings and then go to Windows update and then click on pause over here. And once paused, you can click on resume updates and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to run these two commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, and copy the first command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan, and once this scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, and then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, make a right click, then click on restart. Now once done, find background intelligent transfer service, again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description, and over here write down the name of the update, that is KB5066838 over here, and then click on search, and over here type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command and check the version. So in my case it's version 25H2, and then you can check system type. You can go to system, go to about option, and then in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So you can click on download as per your system and version, and then over here you can see KB5066835, click on it and then you can run this exe file once the download is complete. Once you click on it, just follow the on-screen instruction and then install this update manually. Do the same thing with the other update, with the other .NET framework update. So this one you can search in the this one you can search in Microsoft Update Catalog and you can install it manually. And now while updating, if you see this retry option, you can just hit retry and then try to install it again. Now the next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced options, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once the process is complete, you will see like 25H2 or 24H2 repair one. It will repair and then you can check. You can try to update it once again. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will again take you to the Microsoft website. On this website scroll down and then here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run the exe file, click on accept over here and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save over here. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish. Once you hit finish, just wait for a couple of seconds. This screen will close automatically, and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, and then run the setup file. Click on yes to allow, click on next over here, and then click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11. And one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.